To ka wang'iyo kapod wan mana e kaunti ma Kisumu, en ni koro riwruok mar kanise kata National Council of Churches of Kenya Ncck bade mano ma Nyanza bende nyaka gi sani koro nobago romo to kod josiasa mawuok e kaunti ma Kisumu mondo mi koro gitwag anena e wi manifesto mekgi. Jotelo pogore mag kanise ma bende kantiere Ncck kotele kanyo to kod jadolo David Kodia owacho ni koro ondamo makamano en mabiro neno ni koro josiasa kik bed ka ringo wechego ma bende koro gisingo ne jopiny ponono ni koro koso bi oyiergi. Jalar kom gavana gi otiko mar MDG e kaunti ma Kisumu mano gavana machon Jack Ranguma ma bende koro noyuore nyasi makamano kata tiegruokno ne oketo koke kendo wacho ni koro manifesto makamano en mano mabiro konya ahinya kendo biro neno ni koro yombo godo jogo ma osebedo koro ka piem kode. Nen romo bende koro nodhi nyime.
Intolerance come out of fear. You know, when you fear that you will lose an election, then you create things, I mean, you create obstacles for the other competitors. My prayer is that the person there understands that it is important to have a fair play, a fair game, level play field. I gave him. So even if for no reason he should look at me when he came in, I did not tear gas him, I did not block him, I did not do anything that would stop him from campaigning in the county of Kisumu. But he must allow everybody to campaign, whether he has
member churches, together with the Catholic community, KCCB, and our main focus was actually to invite candidates who are vying for various positions within Kisumu County, especially from MP to the governor. And our focus was to engage them in a discussion. We as a church, we had mobilized the communities to come up with their manifesto. It cuts across every aspect of life, including safety of our people, security network in this region during and after the general election, and also focusing on food security. And we also touched on the airport, how the airport can also be turned into an international facility that brings more visitors to the city of Kisumu.